One of the exciting things about forex trading that I like so much about forex trading is the fact that we have so many literature books, so many materials that can help you, that can guide you along your way in your forex journey. And one of such books that I found so interesting is called Trading in the Zone. All right. And this particular book has helped me so much. But today I'm led to do a different type of video. I'll be doing a very quick review about a particular topic that I've just gone through today, and that struck me hard, okay? And a lot of forex traders don't read. A lot of forex traders are not readers. They just believe in the ability to just buy and sell. There are several factors that can help you have a successful trading career if you can align your skill with trading. Like the popular saying goes, readers are leaders. So if you are in the forex business, you want to also combine your journey with reading, all right? Make sure you are reading. Make sure you are reading related books that are associated with finance and, leadership and the rest. This can help you. And why am I emphasizing on reading? Because sometimes there are a lot of times where you might be looking for your setup, waiting for your setup to play out, okay? What can help you get relaxed are books, okay? And I've got a couple of them on my shelf, and this has helped me so much. While I'm waiting for my setup, it has helped me not to take a random trade. It has helped me to always wait for that A+ setup. So what I do is, whenever I'm waiting for that setup to play out, I just pick my book. I go through one chapter or two. It's not necessary that you read from A to Z. Our best to read the book is just take from one chapter to another chapter. Make sure whenever you pick the book to read, at least read one chapter at a stretch. That will help you. And this is what has kept me going in forex trading. So as a forex trader, I learned to pick up things like this to read. And this book is written by Mark Douglas, all right? Mark Douglas. And I will be sharing with you a particular topic, which is called eliminating emotional risk. Eliminating emotional risk in forex trading. I won't be going through all the chapter, okay? I just want to share with you some of the things that forex traders are facing. And until you come to this acknowledgement, until you understand one of the things that are really dragging you back from becoming profitable, you always find it difficult to have an edge in the market, okay? I'm sure you know that forex trading is 70% psychology, all right? And, the rest is split into risk management and strategy. But you want to focus on your psychology. If your psychology is not well grounded, you always find it difficult to make something out from the market, all right? And one of the things that I've really loved about this book is this particular topic in chapter 7, all right? And it's talking about eliminating emotional risk. I'm not reading from the beginning of the chapter. I just love this particular aspect that talks about, it said, eliminating the emotional risk of trading. You have to neutralize your expectation. That's really powerful. You have to neutralize your expectation. A lot of us come into the forex market expecting something, all right? We think the market should go in a certain direction. It's good to have an expectation, all right? But sometimes just be neutral. That is what this book is saying. It says just be neutral. Make sure you are able to neutralize anything you have against the market. Make sure you have an open-minded. Even if you are looking to long or you are looking to short, just be also neutral. So being neutral will help you not to have this heart palpitation. I've heard of some forex trader who got high BP while trading because they are so emotionally attached to whatever it is that they are risking. I know forex is about money, all right? Money is involved in trading forex. That is the reason you are being advised never to take a trade with the money that you are emotionally attached to. Make sure you come into forex with the money you are willing to let go, right? And there are 5 factors here that I want to pinpoint that is inside this same book that I want to share with you. But let's just go. You can do this by being willing to think from the market perspective, all right? The market is not always wrong nor right. Market is just neutral. The market does not even know whether you are a male or you are a female, all right? So the book is telling you that just think according to the market perspective, all right? If you are seeing buy and the market is willing to sell, follow the direction of the trend. Don't think that, the market should buy. I'm seeing a bullish engulfing candle. If the market wants to sell, sell. That in that way, you will not hurt yourself because the market is neutral. The market is neither wrong nor right. All right. So that is what the book is telling you. Another interesting part is that to think in probabilities. So think in probability. The market is always moving in probabilities, meaning anything can happen. You can now go short and market will just go long. Anything can happen, all right? You have to create a mental framework or a mindset that is consistent with the underlying principle of probabilistic environment, all right? The market has a probabilistic environment. Anything probability is about 50-50. So as a forex trader, if you're finding it difficult to become profitable, check yourself. Check what you are doing in the market. Are you holding the market too long? Are you cutting your losses so early? Are you cutting your trade so early? A lot of times when we are in losses, when we are in drawdown, we are hopeful. And when we are making money, we are scared. The market will reverse. You just see a little bit of profit. You are immediately closing out the market. You shouldn't do that. Just be open. Just be neutral. Let the market do whatever it wants to do. And that is the reason why I like to just set my trade, put my Excel, put my TP. Then I let the market to do whatever it wants to do. For you to have analyzed the trade and you've pinpointed where you want your Excel to be and your TP to be, why are you not panicking and not let the market do whatever it wants to do? So a lot of forex traders will set their Excel, but they are not willing, they are not yet accepting the risk. You are not accepting the risk and you are using Excel. That is not a good thing. So if you want to become profitable forex trader, you need to make sure you are emotionally detached from the market, all right? And there are 5 fundamentals that is pinpointed in this book, all right? A probability mindset pertaining to trading consists of 5 fundamental truths. Number 1 truth is anything can happen. That is basically the truth. In forex trading, anything can happen. The fact that you are inside the trade, the fact that you allow your confluences to play out, you waited for the bottom and support to play out, you waited for the market to retest and to break and retest, the fact that you waited for a double bottom to show, a double top to show, a bullish engulfing candle, the fact that you now place a trade does not mean the market will still have to respect your analysis. Anything can happen. That is the market for you. It is either 50-50. So the only way you can protect your capital is not to take a trade at all. Your broker will not withdraw your money from your account if you are not in the trade. It is when you are in the trade, just know that anything can happen. So if you have this mindset as a forex trader, the market, you will never have heart palpitation. Nothing, the market will never hurt you. It will never hurt your feelings. A lot of forex traders, some people have even quit forex because their expectations are so high. They have this high expectation, thinking that the market must give them money. The market does not owe you anything. So if you come to the market with this kind of mindset, prepared that anything can happen, you have an advantage over the next trader who is just looking that this market must give him or her money. All right. So anything can happen. That is number 1. Number 2, you don't need to know what is going to happen next in order to make money. This is one of those things that a lot of traders, are suffering from. They want to know the outcome of what's going to happen next. If I take a trade here now, if I wait for this market to get to this particular support, should I go in immediately? What will happen next? What you should be concerned about is if the market comes to your zone, and that is where you have marked as your point of interest, and you have found your confirmation complete, go in. It's not your duty, it's not your job, it's not your role to determine what is going to happen next whenever you are in the trade. Let the market do its thing. So you don't have that right to think or to control the market. You don't need to know what is going to happen next. Anything can happen, right? That is number 2. Then number 3, there is a random distribution between wins and losses for any given set of variables that define an edge, meaning that there is 50-50, equal win, equal losses, all right? When you take a buy and the market goes your way, another person took a sell and the market went against that person. So it's 50-50. You've had your own 50% profit share. The person to have had his own 50% own split share. So anything can happen. The market is neither biased, all right? Just wait for a good setup, go in and let the market do its thing. Then number 4, an edge is nothing more than an indication of a higher probability of one thing happening over another. That is an edge. That is the reason I always tell you guys, develop a trading edge. And what could be your trading edge? Wait for proper setup. Whenever you've seen a trade, whenever you've used a particular setup that has played out at least 60 to 70% of the time to give you money, that is an edge. Develop that strategy and make sure you are using it every time. Don't go against your edge. So to be safe in the market, you need an edge. You can't just be in the market and be trading anything you see. Create an edge and develop your edge. Backtest it well enough. Make it your own. So to become profitable in forex trading, that will stand you out of your peers. Make sure you develop an edge. Whatever it is, you might be a good trader with Fibonacci. Use it, that's your edge. You might be a good trader as using flip zone. That could be your edge. You might be a very good trader with SMC or price action. That is your edge. Don't try to fine-tune things, all right? There is no strategy that's an holy grail. But make sure whatever that has made you money before is still capable to give you money over and over again. The number 5 is what? Every moment in the market is unique. Every moment in the market is unique. Your past wins, all right, does not guarantee your future win or your present win. Forget about yesterday wins. You are coming to the market with a new mindset, all right? So you are not coming to the market to come and, flex your muscles with that. Since you are good, you have been having like winning streak, 2 weeks winning streak, 1 week winning streak, 1 month winning streak. The market does not know. You are just being lucky that the market is going your way because it's a probability market. The fact that you took a trade yesterday and you gave 1:3 risk to reward, it went to your TP straight, does not mean today is going to obey you that way. Today's market is in its own uniqueness. So take it the way it is. Forget about yesterday's win. Forget about yesterday's glory. Focus on today and build yourself. Approach each day with its own uniqueness, all right? And this can go on and on. I don't want to make this video so long. There's a lot in this book that I can share with you, all right? But if you like content like this, if you want me to do more of this book review with you, I can go on and do more of this big review with you, all right? This is chapter 7. I've read from chapter 1 to chapter 7. I'm currently on chapter 8, all right? I just said that let me share this with my community. This can help you. I know a lot of you guys there are struggling to become profitable. There's nothing wrong with your strategy. There's nothing wrong with your setup. All you need is just to rewire your mindset, re-strategize your pattern, and make sure you are reading this book. This is an hard copy, right? You can get the audio book on YouTube. Get it, download it, and listen to it. I've listened to the audio book more than once, more than twice. Then I went to get the hardcover, right? And this had helped me a lot. Whenever you are on the market and you are not seeing your setup yet, carry this book and read. It will help you a lot. If you like this particular content, please let me know. Let me have your opinion. Let me have your opinion. I can review this book more and more depending on what I see. And if you can give it 100 likes, I will do another chapter review. And that is going to be more insightful and more delightful and more interesting like this one. I'm sure you're going to like it. So let me have your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be willing to connect with you. Make sure you like this video if you're watching me for the first time. My name is Gordon Trades. I come on here to document my Forex journey, and my mission is to help you to become a consistent, profitable Forex trader. All right, this is where we simplify trading, and you don't want to miss out on my next video. Make sure you like this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I drop a gem like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.